Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one, just tap on the video. Now all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see in this section, video settings, we've got video resolution, so let's tap. In this device, we've got three different options to choose from, two options with 720p, and the difference is in the ratio, 21:9 or 16:9, and 1080p, which is recommended with 16:9 ratio. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.